Carl. Hey, it's David. Yeah? Hey, you got any good news? You talked to Richard? And? No? What do you mean, no? Would you talk to Mike? What? They said my voice acting sucked. What the hell? What are you doing for me? Look, you called Spielberg. He said no. What did you didn't even talk to him. You just said, fine, Mr. Spielberg, thanks. Mr. Howard's gonna be sitting here, not working. Thanks. Poor David. These voices are getting rusty, man. You call yourself a good manager, you can't even get anybody to say yes to 5 minutes in a little film. You do everything possible. You sleep with half of Hollywood if you have to. Hi, you've reached David Howard, professional voice actor. I'm on your services. Kermit the Frog here. And Meat Rob. Prices and fees negotiable. May I ask who's calling? Who is this? Carl, this better not be you. Wait. What do you want? Bathroom? Why? Yeah, I'm good, I'm going. Okay, I'm in the bathroom now. No, I already took one today. Okay. I'll look. Okay, now what? Hello? Hello? Who am I? I'm gonna think you suck. Man, your career stinks. Gosh, shut up. My career's not... It doesn't stink. Yes, it does. You ain't never gonna be nothing. I'm gonna think you crap. Hey, shut up! Stop it! I'm gonna be famous. Leave me alone. Man, you're gonna live behind a dumpster behind Hardy. Guys, shut up! Shut up! Stop it! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! See, man, you're already starting to fall apart. Told you was gonna be behind the dumpsters at Hardy's. Shut up! Everybody's going to laugh at you. No, they're not going to laugh at me. Just leave me alone. Man, your career ain't going to go nowhere. You're going to be a bum on the street. Shut up! The voices. Leave me alone. Go ahead. You know you want to go get it. I do want it. I want it. Go ahead. You know you're hungry. Go get it. I don't think you should eat it. Yeah, hungry. I don't get it. Mr. Howard's gonna be sitting here, not working. Thanks. Go ahead. Eat. Eat. You know the sound meals you're gonna have. Don't stay hard. Mm-hmm. You guys are my only friends. I told you so.